Welcome to 4th grade Readers Unplugged.
We are 4th grade readers who love to read, love to talk, and love to share our ideas.
This week, we're reading Promises to Keep, How Jackie Robinson Changed America.
Now that we're done reading Promises to Keep, we can finally talk about it without someone trying to spoil it.
Yeah, sorry about that. Anyways, let's break down this amazing story.
Guess what? This book was written by Sharon Robinson, Jackie's daughter.
Hold on, espérate. You're telling me the author is his actual daughter, his niña in real life?
Yep, she literally grew up with the GOAT of baseball.
Imagine your dad being famous and fast.
Jackie did not come to play. Well, actually he did come to play, just not with racism.
So how did he become a legend?
We know he didn't pop out with a baseball bat, saying, "Put me in, coach."
And he wasn't born sliding into bases.
Nope, Jackie worked hard, even with unfair rules and harsh treatment. He refused to quit.
Then came the big moment. Branch Rickey chose him to break the color barrier. That was huge, like trying to microwave a burrito for the first time huge.
People booed him, tried to knock him down,
But he stayed focused and proved everybody wrong.
He didn't just play the game, he changed it. Next level courage, he stayed calm even when people were awful.
That's called perseverance, not being stubbornness.
My mom did call me stubborn at 5 for trying to leave the store with 15 squishmallows.
He didn't just break barriers.
He smashed them like a piñata.
He fought with racism with determination, not fist.
I learned one person can make a difference.
Being brave doesn't mean you're scared. It means you do the right thing no matter what.
Even kids can stand up for others and stop unfairness.
Jackie proves one person can change the whole country.
If he can handle all that, I can handle my reading homework probably.
Jackie Robinson is literally that guy. So thank you, Jackie Robinson, for showing us what courage looks like.
And remember, courage is contagious. Who changed the game? Jackie!
Who stood up for fairness?